guys, welcome back to another video. And today, yesterday I made a volcano eruption science experiment, but I didn't post that on that day. I'm going to post it today. So I'm going to tell you how I did it. First, you have to get these materials. You see this? No, just don't look at this. Look over here. Yes, I got it from this thing. I got it in a gift. And the first step is fill this beaker with water. So I'm just going to be back. Wait a second. So guys, I filled it. That was not that good of a transition. You can see here it is filled. Look. You don't have to fill it to the top, or there's no measuring till where you have to fill it, but you do have to fill it. Now the second step is, right guys, let me put the camera at a certain angle so that you can see. Get this baking soda side. You also need baking soda for this. Yeah. So there we go. First step is, for me, the first step is to get this iPad at a certain angle. I don't think I will be able to get that angle. So wait a second guys, I'm going to put the iPad here. Let me unlock it. So guys, the first step is you have to get some red food coloring, some random red color, and put 2 drops. 1 and then 2. Okay, good. After you've gotten those 2 drops, wait a second guys. This is going to be hard. Oh. So let me put it back on. This is very hard to hold the iPad like this, and you guys know I'm recording on iPad. After you do this, you have to take a milk. You have to take a stick, a popsicle stick like this, and you have to mix it up. Like I'm going to mix it. You have to stir it until it's all mixed up. 2 drops is not that precise. You can add 3. I'm going to add 3 for extra color. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to put it in. Boing. One day what I did was I stirred it first, then I put the color and it became a hurricane. So let's not do that, guys. And let's mix it up nicely. After we do this, we have to move to this thing, in which guys, wait. So we have to take this citric acid, take the spatula, and take 2 spoons of it. It is very less because I did this experiment like 1,000 times. Wait guys, I have to put the iPad like this. The citric acid is very low. Okay, so we fill that. Now we take the spatula again, clean it. Okay guys, now we have to get our baking soda over here. Now we have to do this. 2 scoops of it. Sorry, the camera is black, but I need it to be, or else I won't be able to see. Guys, you will not be able to see me. I am sorry. Don't dislike the video for that. Okay. So now I put 2 scoops of baking soda in there. Let's shake it up. Yeah, remember at the end of every video, it says subscribe and that song plays like subscribe like that. Okay. Anyway, subscribe and like, guys. But after shaking it, you have to go to the bathroom. First, let me put the cover on the citric acid. I'm going to put the iPad in the bathroom. Okay? You guys are going to have to wait for this guy, aka me. So I'm going to put it right over here. You guys can look at the sink. But you guys cannot. You can just look at this one stuff. So guys, now we have it all ready. And then you have to pour this into that thing in 3, 2, 1, and it erupts. Amazing! And now there are bubbles everywhere. I don't know what is happening in this, guys. I have to wash it. There's some water on the iPad. It's okay. It's not that much. Then you have to pour this all down. There's some baking soda left. Okay, so guys, that was amazing and I love destruction. That was a free look inside of my mouth. Okay, let me put this back. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe.